everyone, I'm Rebecca. Welcome back to Good to Know. Today I'm going to review a Dash. It's a no drip waffle maker. On the Amazon page they call it a Dash no drip Belgian waffle maker. And this thing makes 4 waffles at a time, so it's really quick and it's no stick, mess free, because it has channels along the side to catch any overflowing batter. So gone are your days of having to scrape that batter off your countertops when you're done making waffles. It is really a wonderful thing. This waffle iron has 4.5 stars out of 509 reviews, and it weighs 7.8 pounds. So it's pretty lightweight. It's your standard waffle maker size if you're going for a big waffle. It also has indicator lights on the front, a red one and a green one, to show when it's preheating and when it's ready. It does have an adjustable, the door will kind of pop up, or the hood will kind of pop up. If you put a lot of batter in and the batter swells, the door will kind of just release a little bit. It won't come open, but it'll give you enough space so that it doesn't crush what you're cooking. This morning we cooked waffles in it. This morning we cooked eggs in it, and they came out really, really great. John made the waffles, and
cheese too, and they didn't stick.
John made the egg waffles.
Alright, we're going to show you how this works. We're going to make some eggs this morning, and you got to have some butter. Right out the bag. You got to have some little butter on your egg, so we're just putting some ghee in here. And you really don't have to do this because works very well. We just have some scrambled eggs, and Rebecca wants some cheese in hers. So some eggs in these two right here, some eggs in this one. There's some cheese in hers. What the heck, I'll put some cheese in mine too.
Live a little.
We have a lot. Again, this kind of, we're going to tilt it back up this way and roll this egg back this way and over. Rebecca's going to put something up under it.
Just because it's crooked.
We'll put a little more egg right here in these little holes. Alright, we're going to go ahead and close. Oh, I got to put a little salt on there. A little salt on hers. A little salt and pepper on mine. These make good egg sandwiches. Yay! That's what I'm going to do with mine. There it goes. Cooking away. All that moisture escaping. These are really not sticking. Just trying to get down to them, so I'll pull them out.
Hot.
Hot.
Need you a spatula?
Need me a spatula.
Funny, just this morning I was looking for heat-proof cooking gloves.
Just this morning.
I was.
These little side eggs, they're delicious, and cheese. And I do suggest, like I said, we normally cook them in butter, just brush them a little bit. Look how everything came out. There's a little cheese right here, but it comes right, look at that, it comes right off. These come right out of here. That cheese is not sticking. These eggs are not sticking here. So there it is. Like I said, nothing's really sticking in here. Perfect. All right, that's how this thing's work. So let's go and finish this
And
up.
he put cheese on them, cheddar cheese, and they did not stick. It was amazing. And that was so perfect for making a sandwich. I made mine into a taco. And
Who cleaned this up?
well, I cleaned this up because
And how easy was it?
it was so easy. All I did, I took a damp paper towel, wiped along each channel, and then I followed it up with a soapy rag with all the water squeezed out, ran it along each channel, and then I rinsed it with a clean rag along each channel because I wanted all traces of soap out of there. So it was so easy to clean. It took less than 5 minutes to clean it, and it's easy to store. You can stand it on its side. The cord wraps around the base. So you can store it like this, or you can store it like this. It has a little latch right here to help keep the door secure.
And like you said, it gives room for expansion when
Right.
it cooks. And that's why it is a Belgian waffle, because it will get
It'll
up to
make
that
it-
height.
Make it that thick.
But if you can't get the lid off, it push so high, do what I did, a little rag in your hand and push down on the top and squeeze the release button.
But you can see these channels along the side here, and whatever batter spills over, John says just make breadsticks out of it. We could make cheese sticks in this thing. There is just so many things you can make in a waffle iron these days. Of course, you could have done it in the old days, but nobody thought about it. So I did my tortillas today in these. John makes keto-friendly,
Chaffles.
carb-free chaffles. Yesterday he made tortilla batter and cooked the tortilla batter in here.
Wonder Bread chaffles.
Wonder Bread chaffles. So if you've never had that, check out our video on CastIronSkilletKitchen. It's amazing.
Yeah.
So this thing, the channels in here are large enough to actually be thick enough to be Belgian, and they have little openings in between the tops and bottoms, as well as side to side, so that the batter will flow evenly. And then they also have little channels along here for it to spill over into these.
And the front one has a channel too.
Right,
Yeah.
and it has a lip on the front and on the back to keep the batter from spilling out front and back. This thing's amazing. It's an awesome price. Can't remember what.
It's like $31, especially if you buy it off of, with our
Our discount code.
Discount
recommended by
code?
us. John says that he's seen it recommended on keto channels. So all in all, we're very pleased with the recommendations, and we're very pleased with the performance, the price, the styling, everything about this waffle maker. It's sturdy. The outer part is plastic, but the inner part is not. It heats quickly, evenly, and maintains a steady heat for you while you're cooking. Oh, it has this booklet. It has recipes, chocolate waffles. I mean, who knew? Classic. Egg, cheese, and hash brown waffles. Sweet potato. Apple cider waffles. Quesadillas. Zucchini parmesan. You know you could do all your fritters in here? That's just the tip of the iceberg, you guys. You could do paninis in here. Falafel. I don't know how to pronounce it.
It's a fake hamburger, veggie
With
hamburger.
chickpeas, and it has a what they call a feel-good guarantee, and the customer support is 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern and 7 to 7 Pacific. They have their 800 number right here in the book. Not a lot of people these days have 800 numbers for their customer support, but Dash does. So give it a try. And hit our link down there for the waffle iron. We would most appreciate it.
Go to Cast Iron Skillet and watch our newest upload, and it'll show it in use.
Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen right here on YouTube, and it's with Chef John and me, Rebecca. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Please share everywhere. Like this video. We need those thumbs ups. And subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below if you've got this waffle iron or you've got one that you're just in love with. I want to know about it. So once again, I'm Rebecca. This is Good to Know. Thanks everybody. Bye.